A very good morning to all of my dear students. How are you all? But I know that you are keeping yourself safe, and as you know that from tomorrow you are going to enjoy your summer vacation. So before that, as we got an opportunity to again our little class, so today I'm going to start a new topic, adverbs. हैव यू ऑलरेडी लर्न अबाउट एडवर्ब्स? पिछली क्लासेस में आपने पढ़ा है? येस. व्हाट इज एन एडवर्ब? एडवर्ब मीन्स अ वर्ब विच एड समथिंग टू द मीनिंग ऑफ वर्ब. एड वर्ब. एड, अगर आप इस वर्ड को पढ़ो, एड वर्ब, एड प्लस वर्ब. एडवर्ब मीन्स an adverb is a word which adds something to the meaning of a verb or an adjective is called an adverb. आप क्वेश्चन देखो, आपको एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हुए. शी स्पीक्स पोलाइटली, जो हमें ये बताते हैं कि कोई भी काम, वर्ब मीन्स एक्शन, कोई भी एक्शन कैसे हुआ है, कब हुआ है, कहाँ हुआ है. दे आर द एडवर्ब्स. अब देखो इसमें क्या है, शी स्पीक्स पोलाइटली. हाउ शी स्पीक्स पोलाइटली. सो पोलाइटली इज एन एडवर्ब. The underlined word is a verb. Rima was crying bitterly. How Rima was crying bitterly. तो ये दो sentences ऐसे हैं जो क्या modify करते हैं, modifies the verb. Mona sang melodiously. अब देखो इन दो सेंटेंस हैं जिसमें verb और adjective की बात करते हैं. मॉडिफाइज द वर्ब, तो वर्ब कैसे मॉडिफाई किया जाता है? मोना सैंग मेलोडियसली. तो सैंग इज अ वर्ब. हाउ मोना सैंग मेलोडियसली. सो इसने वर्ब के बारे में बताया ना कि मोना ने कैसा गाना गाया, मेलोडियसली. सो मेलोडियसली इज योर एडवर्ब. बट इट ऑल्सो मॉडिफाइज एन एडजेक्टिव. अब एडजेक्टिव क्या होता है बेटा? एडजेक्टिव होता है अ वर्ड दैट टेल्स अस मोर अबाउट अ नाउन और अ प्रोनाउन. नाउन और प्रोनाउन के बारे में, उनकी क्वालिटी को, उनकी क्वांटिटी को बताना, दैट इज एडजेक्टिव. सो मॉडिफाइज एन एडजेक्टिव. मोना सैंग अ मेलोडियस सॉन्ग. तो मेलोडियस इज एन एडजेक्टिव ओवर हियर, क्योंकि ये कैसा बता रहा है कि सॉन्ग कैसा है. इट टेल्स इज द क्वालिटी ऑफ सॉन्ग. सो इट इज़ एन एडजेक्टिव. एंड वेरी, इट इज़ एन एडवर्ब. ये एडजेक्टिव के मीनिंग को इंक्रीज कर रहा है. In this sentence it is an adverb. Understood? So now you can differentiate the sentences with adverb and without adverb. So with adverb and without adverb, she runs. It is without adverb, she runs. But with adverb, she runs quickly. So in first sentence it is defined that she runs, the action of running is going on. And how she runs? Quickly. ये किसने बताया हमें? adverb ने. Now example 2, he reads. Okay, without adverb, वो क्या कर रहा है? he is reading. reading action is going on, पढ़ रहा है. he reads slowly. कैसे पढ़ रहा है? slowly. तो ये हमें किसने बताया? एडवर्ब ने. नाउ गर्ल रन्स क्विकली. दिस इज अ वेरी स्वीट मैंगो. पीटर रीड्स क्वाइट क्लियरली. सो इट इज़ अ वर्ड विच मॉडिफाइज द मीनिंग ऑफ अ वर्ब, एडजेक्टिव और अनदर एडवर्ब. आई होप द डेफिनेशन इज क्लियर टू यू. नाउ काइंड्स ऑफ एडवर्ब: adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency, and interrogative adverbs. Kinds of adverbs. Number 1, adverbs of manner. Manner means how. Adverbs that show how or in what manner an action is performed. कोई काम कैसे हुआ. When we get the answer of question how from a sentence, that is adverbs of manner. He was reading. How he was reading? Fast. Dravid speaks fluently. हाउ द्रविड स्पीक्स फ्लुएंटली। तो ये आपके सेंटेंसेस हैं एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर। नाउ एडवर्ब्स ऑफ प्लेस। एडवर्ब्स ऑफ प्लेस शो वेयर और एट व्हाट प्लेस। अब ध्यान से देखो बेटा, एट व्हाट प्लेस वेयर एन एक्शन इज परफॉर्म्ड। व्हेन वी गेट द आंसर ऑफ वेयर, so that is adverbs of place. Her cousin lives there. So this there word shows that where an action is performed. Her cousin lives there. Sachin lives here for the last 3 years. सचिन यहाँ पे 3 साल से रहता है। कहाँ रहता है? यहाँ पे, here. The word here shows where an action is performed. So this is adverbs of place. Adverbs of time. Adverbs that show when or at what time an action is performed. At what time, कब, जब हमें आंसर मिलता है कब, when. So the prize distribution ceremony will take place when? Today. I go for a walk when? Daily. So they are the adverbs of time. Now adverbs of frequency. An adverb that shows how often. How often means कितनी बार an action is performed is known as adverb of frequency. He always comes late in the class. वो हमेशा क्लास में लेट आता है। कितनी बार लेट आता है? हमेशा लेट आता है, always. The manager comes sometimes for a round. And when manager comes, sometimes. How often he come? Sometimes. So that is adverbs of frequency. Interrogative adverbs, they are used to ask questions. When does the function start? Where are you living? So with this I have completed my 5 kinds of adverb. Now look at this. Yes, they are adverbs of frequency. Okay, according to percentage I had just shown you. If it's 100%, always. 90% usually. 80% normally. 70% often. 50% sometimes. 30% occasionally. 10% seldom. 5% hardly ever. And 0% never. When you just go through these sentences now, then you would come to know that how this work. Now there are some of the adverbs. When, adverb of time, where, adverb of place, how, adverb of manner, extent, adverb of frequency. So you can just go through it. Some of the verbs are written over here, so you can just read it. Some of the adverbs are there, so you can go through it. And with it, this chapter is complete. And the picture of exercise I'm showing you. Right after that, you have to solve it, and after some time I'm going to share answers with you. But do your work with the help of pencil, neatly and in legible handwriting. Thank you students, and have a very nice time. And yes, within the given time you have to complete your notebook and submit your notebooks for checking in the school, as dates are mentioned to you. So do it on time so that there will not be any problem. Thank you, and have a very nice time.